We conduct the survey to ensure the compliance with our project LEA 213 Introduction to Industrial Security Concept under Professor Janelle Mark Sarno. December 19, 2023 started around 1 p.m. in the afternoon and ended at 5 p.m. It was a sunny day in the month of December, and the weather conditions were not good because of the high temperature during our survey. The criminal squad is led by Jonafe Mariano, Ina Paring, Nevelin Unde, Jonami Jantan, Lavela Shane Coscos, and Charlo Alquiliano. The establishment we survey is Malita Central Elementary School.
Annex 1. The fence or barrier is rusty wherein it might be flaky or weak. Sonar, which can cause inconvenience or harm to people. In addition, and the wires are dangerous at the same time because it can cause injuries and etc. Recommendation. I think removing the wires would be okay to avoid harm, and to change a new barrier or fence would be great for safety, especially if it is concrete, to make it more durable and safe. Annex 8. The fence is not really a safe aside that it is rusty. It looks very old and weak. This might cause trouble, especially during heavy rain, strong winds, or if there's an earthquake. I also noticed that the foundation of the fence is not strong. Lastly, this is untidy. Recommendation. Change the fence with a new strong and thick one, or much better if it is concrete, to make it more net, safe, and useful in the long run.
Guard force and guard system. Situation. In Annex 1, they have only one gate, which is the entrance. In Annex 10 is the exit, and the post of the guard is near from the gate. In the back portion of the school, Annex 10, we found out that the gates are not properly secured. Recommendations. Based on our observations, we hereby recommend that the gates must be widened. The entrance and exit are separated, but the students still use the entrance as exit, so the entrance should not be used as an exit. And in the back portion of the school gates must be also widened and must be properly maintained and properly secured too.
Protective lighting. Annex 3 outside the campus, Annex 7 inside the campus. Situation. As we tour the entire campus, are some protective lighting we see inside and outside the campus. Recommendation. Based on our observation, we recommend that they must provide more protective lights inside and outside the campus. In the inside of the campus, they should add more lights in the dim areas or in the back of the campus, because they have more protective lights in the hallway. So we suggest they should add more lights in there. Also, in the outside, there are only 2 protective lights. So just in case the students will leave the school premises already dim or dark, we suggest that they should add more lights so that they can easily find their way.
As what we observed during our tour, we saw that they only have one fire alarm, which is one of the most needed in school in case of emergency. Recommendation. We highly recommend that they need to put 2 or 3 fire alarms in each building for a better securement in case there is an emergency.
In Annex 5, the lock would be easily opened in any ways, such as lock picking, hairpins as a key, and using force to break the lock. In Annex 6, the padlock were unsecure, as well as the glass door can easily break if force were used. It is not safe to use a lock like this if there are important files that have been stored in that classroom or office. The thief would easily break in. Based on our observation, we hereby recommend that they must have a strong security padlock in their school premises. Upon our survey in Malita Central Elementary School, we have seen that the security in a room should be secured. The glass door should be replaced in more secure feature, such as an unbreakable glasses. CCTV cameras in the hallway that locates the entrance and exit of the rooms, and a security guard that would roam around to avoid intruder to come in their premises without proper authority.